Hi everyone, it's Eva. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. First off, I'd like to apologize for being very inconsistent with my videos. Life happens and sometimes life gets in the way. So the last time I filmed something, or filmed, yeah, this I think was the last time I filmed actually this planner, but I filmed this, then I filmed this, and that was the last of it. Like I said, life gets in the way, and I just wasn't sure exactly how I wanted to use this planner. So what I am going to do is use the monthlies as a budget type thing. So I'm gonna keep track of my paychecks and any of my bills that need to be paid for that paycheck. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with the monthly. The weekly, I have an Erin Condren that I carry with me on a daily basis, and that has quite of a bit of work and personal things. But when it comes to my social media and videos and filming, I leave it, I leave the planner out on my desk, and I really don't want people at work especially just in that area of my life. So I tend not to notate any of that in there. So what I'm gonna do is use this as a kind of social media planner, but I also want to start keeping track of my dieting and eating habits. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with my weeklies. So hopefully that sticks. But for today, I am going to be filming the March monthly, and this month I'm super excited to film this because my family and I are going on a once-in-a-lifetime trip. We are going to Japan. It's my girls' dream vacation. One of them is in high school, the other one is in middle school, going into high school. So I want them to have that memory, and I want them to dream big. So I want them to know that if you set your mind to something, you can achieve it and you can accomplish it. So work hard, study hard, and you get to reward yourself. So that's what we are going to do this month. And for that, in preparation of the trip, let me see if I can zoom you out a little bit. Excuse my the edge of my bed, but anyhow, I purchased this sticker kit from scrapbooking.com, and it's from Photoplay, and this one is their paper crane collection. So these are the cardstock stickers, and I purchased this cherry blossom also from the same collection. It's the paper crane collection. And I also pulled out these stickers. These are also from Photoplay. Let me see if I can zoom you back in. And these, oh no, actually I'm sorry. These are the this is from Simple Stories, and this is called I Am. So I am going for this one. I am dreaming big, and that's what I want my girls to always, always remember. Dream big. And I also have this Photoplay paper crane. These are kind of like the 3D sticker types. Let me see if I could open it. So these are like the 3D, if you can see. It doesn't want to zoom in. Okay, there it goes. All right, so this has the foam backing. I don't think I'm gonna use these because the majority of these stickers are already on this paper pad. So I think I'm just gonna exclude these and focus solely on the cherry blossom and this. So let me get things together and I will start filming this. Okay, so I'm not sure exactly how I want to fill in these spaces that are dates that are not dates, but that are not within the month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in my pay dates and let me see, bill dues that are due within the month. And from this, I'm going to be taking the little flowers. So I'm gonna do that, and let's see. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm not even gonna write in payday. I'm just going to put in a dollar sign. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do. So it's the 2nd, and it is the 16th. Okay, so that is that. I need to pay the mortgage, which I think I'm gonna do it like this. 730 is my mortgage. I'm just gonna do it like that. And then I'm going to do this for one of my credit cards, and then on the 11th, ooh, it's daylight savings. On the 11th is another one. I need to start paying these off. 25th is another one, and this one is you guys couldn't even see that. How dumb of me. Okay, so that's that one, and then so I've got the 11th and I've got the 25th. Now it's the 17th, which is, I've got 2 of them, each at $30. Oh, and this pin's skipping on me. So, and then I've got my Best Buy credit card. And normally I pay $200 on this one, I'm wondering if I want to pay a little bit less, only because we're going on the trip and I'm making a big expense. And I pay the $200, but I'm overpaying it. That's not what the minimum due is. So I'm thinking I just want to make the minimum due for this month and keep that as is. So I've got that, and I know I have monthly recurrences for some subscriptions, but I just don't remember which ones they are at the moment, so I'm just going to fill those in afterwards. So let me zoom you out and show you what I have so far. Okay, so that's what this is going to be solely for. That way I'm going to write down what my paycheck was, and I can see what's landing within that time frame before the next one comes. So I have an idea of what I need to hold back on. So with that being said, I'm done with that, and I think I'm going to start decorating. So here we leave on this day and we land, actually we're going to Shanghai, China as well. So we fly into China. We're gonna be at Shanghai Disney for these 2 days, and we fly out to Japan. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put that there because that's the day that we land in Japan. And for the 22nd, I'm wondering if I want to put this paper crane. I know. I want to put this one. I Am Dreaming Big. Were you able to see that? Hopefully you were. And that one's in foil and it's on clear paper. Yes, I am dreaming big. Like I said, I always want my girls to remember that. These little girls are super cute. All right, so, oh, I like this pretty fish here. I'm wondering if I want to put him, where do I want to put him? Like maybe here? And then I want to put this cherry blossom maybe here to block out those dates, or that those empty spaces. I think I'm gonna put a, do I want to? I think I should have, because I have the fish there, I don't want to put anything else on top of that. Unless I put this. What do you think? right, let me see. I'm gonna see how that works or how that looks. So we've got that. And certainly have to put in one of these girls. I just don't know which one because they're super cute, and I think I want to put this one in. I'm gonna put her here. I'm not sure. I wanted to put in the bonsai or a fan. Actually, I really wanted to use these paper cranes, but I don't think, unless I put, let me see. Let me try something out. I'm wondering if, no, they're not gonna look good there. No. Okay, I'm just gonna have to leave them out. So, let's see what else. I want to put something in this area as well. And I've got these paper lanterns, and I've got this, oh, this is pretty. I think I want to put this one, but is it going to be too big? I think that's going to be too big. So, do I want to put the bonsai in there? I wanted to use that. That's super pretty. I think I'm just going to use this one here. Oh, actually, I'm going to do this. It's like the little papered lantern is hanging from the cherry blossom tree. Hey, I like that. Okay. So I think I'm going to leave it as is. I don't want to put too much of the details of my trip because I'm going to put that in my Erin Condren. So, like I said, this was mainly to focus on my paychecks. That way I can ensure that I'm not overspending. So I'm going to keep this the way it is. And I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully I'm going to keep up with my schedule for decorating. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.